So smartphone cameras have came a long way. Technology has advanced, even in 2025. I'm not just talking about megapixels. I'm talking about the overall quality in photos and videos. We take our smartphones everywhere, but there's a huge group of folks that's mobile filmmakers. They use their smartphones to film all their videos, B-roll and stuff like that. Well, in this video, I'm gonna put it to the test. Do you really need a gimbal? Right? Because with the advancements of optical image stabilization, especially on the Galaxy S25 Ultra, do you need a smartphone gimbal to get smooth footage? So in this video, I'm going to go out to the park and I'm going to shoot some B-roll and some cinematic footage using the gimbal and using a tripod. So the gimbal that I'm using is the M6 by Hoham. This is a great mobile gimbal with all kinds of AI stuff. And I'm using the Galaxy S25 Ultra. So we're gonna have us some fun. We're gonna see whether or not you get really good footage using a gimbal or really good footage using just a tripod. So let's have us some fun. Let's go out to the park, sit back, relax, and get your popcorn ready and follow me on this journey. Let's go. All right, guys, so I'm out here at the park and I got the M6 Gimbal here and I just got a little Joby pod here. And what I want to test in this experiment is, do you really need a gimbal? Right now, the M6 has some unique features. It has its own application. It has AI technology. It has buttons all in the front. It has all kinds of things with this gimbal for professional use. But with the Galaxy S25 Ultra, can you get away by not using the gimbal for just normal use, right? I got a pod, and we go put this two to the test so y'all guys can see the difference between using a gimbal, smartphone gimbal, and a just regular tripod here. So let's have us some fun. All right, so one of the unique features of using this gimbal, the M6, is its AI technology. Now, I got it connected right now to the Galaxy S25 Ultra, and one of the unique things that I like about this gimbal is the AI tracking, and in order to enable it, I could just do that, and now all of a sudden it's enabled, and now it's tracking me. So if I'm doing a presentation and I move around, the AI tracking will track me all the way around here, which is pretty neat. Now I do have the device on a tripod, which is really good. So if I wanted to do like a presentation or just kind of walking around or something like that, what the device does is it has the AI tracking that works extremely well. And that's one of the benefits of having this type of tripod, this type of gimbal, because of the unique features such as AI tracking and stuff like that, which you cannot get just by using the handheld. So it does have some unique features of having a gimbal, especially a gimbal like this that has some of the AI tracking and all that stuff like that, but which is really neat. So I'm using wireless microphones, obviously, right? And so if I wanted to be out here at the park or be in a type of situation where I have to do a presentation and I'm using a mobile solution, this is probably really good for that. You let me know down in the comments below which one you would prefer. So I'm gonna go back to the studio, go check out the footage, and give you guys my final thoughts about, do you really need a gimbal? Or this handheld is good enough like a tripod? Okay, so I hope you enjoyed the footage that you just saw me out in the park. So the question is, do you need a smartphone gimbal with all the advancements in smartphone camera technology? Well, the answer to that question is it all depends. If you are a mobile filmmaker, no doubt you need the gimbal. The gimbal gives you very good footage, right? It's definitely a lot smoother, a lot better than using a tripod or holding it in your hand. Plus, the benefits that you get using gimbals like the M6 is that it's a nice 3-axis stabilization with AI tracking. This thing is stacked to the gills with features. They also have a joystick on here. You have USB-C to charge your smartphone. Plus, you get a lot more with the camera application and stuff like that. Look, I could do a full video of the M6. Please let me know down in the comments below. But overall, I believe that the gimbal footage was so good. Plus, with all the advanced features on gimbals now, yeah, I think if you want to get cinematic footage, extra smooth footage using a mobile device, a gimbal is the way to go. Okay, so looking at the tripod footage using the Galaxy S25 Ultra, the footage was just okay. I believe that with all these years of newer technology and advancements, you would think that it would be better, especially with the jumpiness and stuff like that. I don't think we're there yet, right? Again, I reference the LG Wing because that has a gimbal-like feature on there that has very smooth footage that you really don't need a gimbal. But using the Galaxy S25 Ultra handheld or even on a tripod, the footage was just okay. Right? Again, if you want me to do a full video on the M6, let me know down in the comments below. But my opinion, I believe that if you're a mobile filmmaker, I believe that having a gimbal is absolutely a must. If you want to know pricing and availability, I will leave that link down in the description below. And again, if you want me to make a full review of this gimbal, the M6, let me know down in the comments below. This is like the Tech Preacher. Leave your comments down below. Let me know what you think about using a smartphone gimbal or using a tripod. Let me know which one you like. See you guys on the next video. Peace.